Mentors play a very important role in anyone's life. This is what I believe, because in my life, mentors played a very important role, starting from the bachelor's, which I did from JP, to going towards master's from IIT. Professors or the mentors plays a very important role in my life. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this side Priya Bhatia, and in this particular video I will talk about some misconceptions about mentors. Interesting, no? I used to talk to a lot of students, or maybe in my YouTube live, many students used to interact with me, and I get to know that there are so many misconceptions that students have. I'll talk about majorly these three, which are very much common. The very first one, they think that mentor is someone whose age should be someone bigger, having white hair, older age, something like that. Do let me know whether you also have this kind of misconception or not. Because nowadays, you should not take care about what age he or she is, whosoever is teaching to you. It might be the scenario that you are working in industry or maybe in the college, and you are having some bigger age number as comparable to someone who is teaching you. Don't think that if there is someone who is younger than you, they can't teach you properly. In teaching, the important thing is that how the deliverables are going to happen. How your mentor is teaching to you. Is this part is something which is clearly understandable to you or not? So if you have that kind of misconception that your mentor should have a bigger age as comparable to you, then you will miss out many good mentors, right? Misconception number 2. They think that a mentor will be someone who is having tons and tons of experience in that particular domain. It's not like that. See, mentor is someone who can think something with a different angle. Whatever you are thinking, as comparable to that, he can think the same thing with a different sort of angle. For example, you are doing some work, maybe data science work, and you are good with the analysis part. You are good in doing some sort of analytical thinking. But your mentor is someone who is good in creative thinking. This can happen vice versa as well. So what I'm saying here is that don't think that a good mentor is someone who is having a tons of experience. There might be a mentor, there might be numerous number of mentors nowadays who are not having maybe good amount of experience, but still the quality of teaching that they have is unbeatable. So don't ignore those teachings as well. You can learn from anyone if you will not have these kind of misconceptions. The misconception number 3, and that is that they think that mentor should be someone who will be associated with the same company or with the same industry itself. It might not be the case. It might happen that if you are some technical person, you are doing something core expertise in tech domain, and you are talking with some non-technical person, he or she can also give you a better idea in your domain, which you have never ever think of. Maybe you are doing some code work, okay, and you are trying to design something on that particular product. Now you are connecting with the user who will use that, or maybe some non-technical person who will use that product which you are building, and he or she will be able to give you a better idea that what things they will use, which you never ever think of. So what I'm saying here is that don't think that the people who are not in your domain, or not in your company, or not in your industry, will not able to help you out in your work. It can happen that they will definitely able to help you out much better as comparable to the one which you are thinking. So these 3 are the misconceptions. What are those? Number 1, age is just a number. So this doesn't matter that your mentor should be elder than you. Second misconception, that mentor should have tons of experience. That's not true. The third misconception, mentor should be within your company or within the same industry. That's again not true. So if you will try to avoid these majorly 3 common misconceptions which I find out in each and every student, you will be able to learn more from your mentors. And with this, let's end this video. I will see you all in my next upcoming video, where now I will talk about further few interesting facts and the things related to DSA and data science. Many more things are about to come, so stay tuned, and I'll see you all in my next upcoming videos. Bye bye everyone. Happy learning to all.